I what up, nigga?
You know, bitch, just chillin' in this White House with these white bitches sucking my dick.
That's what's up. You know that nigga Joe Biden who you won against last year, right?
Yay, I remember that lame nigga that looks like dat bum Nate.
Yay, that nigga still hate them since he lost with his lame same pussy getting ass.
That nigga needs some herb to mellow his hard ass out.
With my G, I also heard that nigga Sakai on the Sweetwater football team wanted to fight.
Please, he need to sit his fat ass down somewhere, always eatin' and shit. He's gonna die one day.
Ha 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 ha.
His ass looks like the hamburgular that big titty nigga need a training bra and Jesus. Looking like the bum on Cruise Road. His dumbass failed his alphabet test.
Ha 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 nigga, I can't breathe. His fat ass is so dumb he tried to make chicken wings out of chicken nuggets.
I bet he hides jerky in his throat. His shit breathe ass ain't been to the dentist in 4 years.
Ha 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 nigga, this is too funny. I can't take this anymore nigga, I'm out. Peace.
Peace, bitch. Tell Bill he ain't hit it right.